What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is probably one of my favorite videos without me even seeing it yet. I finally got the old girl to the shootout. So there's a lot of shootout footage on here, which people are probably, I would hope, be interested if you're into the shootout. There's a good chance if you took your car to shootout, you could be in this video. And one of the most exciting things is, for me, is that this is the first time I got to experience a shootout with my car there. This is my third year in a row going, but having my car there made it a little extra special for sure. So the other years the car wasn't ready, or I just wasn't financially ready to get the car there, and this year was just, it was amazing for me personally just to be there with the car. So check out the video, and we'll recap at the end. This is probably going to be a two-part video, so this is part one. And then I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. Three a.m. Going to meet Martin. We're going to follow each other to shootout. It's 4:24 in the morning. We've been on the road for about 25 minutes or so. Martin's ahead of me there, trailing his GSX. 7 hours and 53 minutes to go. Plus stopping, etc. Here we go. Shootout! 6:10 in the morning. 6 hours to go. Fueling up. She's sucking it down. Back on the road. 1 hour and 35 minutes till we're there. It's 11:25 in the morning. We're making pretty good time, especially with trailers. Hello, Ohio. Welcome to Ohio. Literally 15 minutes away. Starts raining. Alright, we made it. We're here. We're at the winery. 2Gs. 1G Corvette. Laser. Clean 98 Talon. And Dave Super 94. Turbo 6-speed. What's up, guys? We're heading to Busher Racing. We just were at the winery. We met up with everybody that did the poker run, and now I'm following Martin and Tommy, and we're heading to Busher Racing to stop by, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel, call it a night. Shootout! Shootout! Heading to the Brew Pop Cafe, about to get some food, some breakfast. I reckon I want some sausage gravy.
no crust.
That's how we roll. I believe in evos. Do you believe in evos? Mitsubishi, GSX, and BROs and egos. OG63, that combination means go. Leave them at the tree in they seat. That's how we roll. Straight line, no roadway. Killing the competition with the street tune, a full race. Holding my position as the numero uno. You should have bought an Evo. Instead of that showboat, you'll never catch the ego. 20G on steroids. Listen as she spools up. Super sequential, let's off a whistle when I pull up. Used to hit fuel gut, but did away with that trick. Now I hit the door. When your ass can get sprayed, stay up at the highway, the track or the highway. We could do the steep for speed and take them on the sideways. Down the star motors, we do Subies in the driveway. Assuming that you want it, run, save it for the lightweights. I believe in Evo.
Ridiculous.
You believe in Evo? Mitsubishi, GSX, and BROs and egos. OG63, that combination means go. Leave them at the tree in they seat. That's how we roll. I believe in Evos. Do you believe in Evos? Mitsubishi, GSX, and BROs and egos. OG63, that combination means go. Leave them at the tree in they seat. That's how we roll. RC66, E-Prime chip. Keep the fuel steady coming between each shift. The exhaust humming with a 3-inch pitch and a 2-inch drop. Makes the E-clip sick. Catch me if you can when I'm yelling in the rear view. Running low 11 so I can't really hear you. No one up beside me so I can
This thing is so cool.
to the finish line and it ain't even near you. Look me, clear hoop. Yeah, I missed the gear.
Clean here's like
We should run again.
2GB Talon.
Put up on the line and he can fight like a saber. Beat the opposition like a snack that I know he do.
Reminds you of that Focus RS blow. You don't see him as much.
I'm pretty sure you can't catch what you can't see. And a cooler in the front, shiny bottle in the back.
We're here at the track. Look, that's a bed right there. A queen size bed. Fireplace, TV. There's a couch. This whole thing pushes out so it's a lot bigger. Booth. Kitchen. This is a fridge. So it's got a split fridge and freezer. Bathroom. It's got a little private door section, so if someone can use the toilet, someone can use the shower. And this opens up that way, and it's got a TV in there, and that's got a king size bed. How sweet is this? The floor is beautiful. They're camping at the track.
Just we decreased the defect a little bit.
Shout out to Performance Part Out. Nate and John, some really good guys.
Turn around and see it there.
Holy shit! Oh my god, that thing's turned the f up.
Alright guys, first pass at the shootout ever. I'm in the left lane. So hey, I won by 5 seconds, right? If my math is right. But yeah, that terrible 60 foot. 2.4 at 108. I did try and kind of go slow out of the hole, but I was hoping still to cut like a 2.1 or 2.0 and then make my way. So I got some work to do, but we're here at the shootout. Everything stayed together. The belt stayed on. So that's all good news. And I had a lot of fun, and it felt a lot faster than 13.5. So I had a lot of fun on that pass. It felt good to keep everything together and not throw any belts. Martin over here just ran a 10.1. Ridiculous at 153 miles per hour. Your car's so fast you can't stop. At the end of the track.
Back to racing action here. there, not sure what he's doing.
Getting ready to make a second pass here. Friday night at the shootout. See what happens.
Alright, you hosers. Don't go into the sand trap.
So when he said don't go into sand traps, that's because Martin had some issues with braking on his 10.1 run at 100 and whatever it was, 55 miles an hour, 53 miles an hour, whatever it was. He had some issues with stopping. So he's got to figure that out with the brakes. I think we were thinking it might have been the rotors. But anyways, my first pass at the shootout, yes. Obviously it was slow. Both runs were slow. 13.5, farting around with a 64 to 2.4. So that was Friday night, and the second run Friday night was a 13.2 and a 2.3 60 foot. So the car, there's still got some things that I got to work on as far as just getting the tune sorted out and seeing if it's a knock sensor, a bad knock sensor, or if it's just phantom knock, because my motor's a little on the noisy side. So we got to sort that out with the tune, maybe even dump some race gas in it and figure it out. But on part 2 of the video, you'll see I make 2 more runs on Saturday, and you'll also see the things we did Saturday night. You'll see a bunch of runs Saturday, and then you'll see a bunch of runs on Sunday. Some of them are some really good runs. My buddy Billy's on there versus our other buddy Dave, and they're like 2 really good friends. So it's the first time they raced, which was an awesome race. So there's still a lot more on part 2, but it's a lot of footage, so I just had to break it up in 2 parts. All right, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. 89 subscribers. Listen, that's 89 more probably than I had last year. I think I might have had a couple at this time. But I decided to kind of do the YouTube thing. It's kind of cool to look back. I watch shootouts from my past 2 years. You know, I watch them maybe once or twice a year just because I'm getting excited for the shootout. So, you know, I thank anybody who takes the time to watch my videos, anybody who subscribes, you know, drops a comment, whatever. I appreciate every one of you guys, and thank you. Hopefully we can get to that 100 mark soon. All right, take care. Catch you on the flip side. Peace. Oh, go Birds.